have our sailing class on April 10th for a week. So I am learning how to rig the jib for ASA 101. Super exciting stuff.
I really want us to be a smooth running machine. What we need to do is assign tasks.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
You're turning us.
I know. I'm trying to get this damn line out of here.
I got the tiller. Don't worry about the tiller.
What's ahead of us right now?
We're fine.
What were you saying about glass?
The glass from the solar panels all over the place. So I will put your shoes on.
So it broke?
Well, it's already broken.
There's some duct tape.
But our bag toppled, everything toppled over.
What was happening, it was filling up.
What I was trying to do was look at the picture of our points of sail that I have on my phone. So if the wind is, which way is the wind coming from now?
The wind is not coming from this way, southeast right now.
It's coming from the southeast, going to the northwest. So it should go like this. Which means that right now, we should be on a, none of the pictures on this look like what our boat looks like right now. So if the wind's going like this then, so we are on a close halt. We're like at 17 or 20 or something. Just don't crash into that boat. The wind is coming towards the butt of the arrow, right? And going forward to towards the front of the arrow, or is it coming towards the front of the arrow?
Coming from the front of the arrow.
Okay, so then the wind is coming this way. Look at my phone, the wind is going that way.
Now it's a beam reach.
If we're going in a beam reach, then the wind's coming a different direction than you said.
Look up there.
How am I supposed
Just
to
look up here. I'm looking at it. It's going this way.
Okay. So if the wind is coming this way, we're on a broad reach. This is called a broad reach. This is us right there where my finger is.
I need to go check the batteries.
And well, do you want to go pull the tiller then?
Down the road. Should be okay right where we're at.
Watch where you step. Dang it, we're coming into dead wind, and we need to go right where the boat is.
A little water in there.
So the first lesson that we learned from all of this is we don't take the bungee cords off of the mainsail until we are literally ready to raise it, because it'll topple over into the water. As soon as we turn the corner and get into the sound and that wind hits it, boom, it goes over. That was the first of many mistakes, because then neither one of us did any of the jobs we said we were going to do.
Well, because couldn't pull it up, so someone had to go up there, so I went. See, we actually need to be going that direction. That's the only way to get anything. See what I did?
Well, let's think about this, because I understand what direction you want to go, because that's where we're getting the best wind. But if this were real life, if we were in our home, in our catamaran, and we wanted to get from the Bahamas to Florida, we wouldn't want to veer too far off following the wind. We got to learn to sail in the direction we want to go in.
So right now, you see which way I was going, direction I was going.
Yeah.
To get any wind, this is really how I need to go to get wind right here. That's
Correct.
Right there. So if I go the opposite direction, that direction, we've got to release these. Sail is on this side.
Correct.
Okay.
But we're not going to do that yet.
That would be the only way to go to the U.S.
I understand that. That's why I'm saying we're not letting the boat sail us based on where the wind is. We've got to sail the boat no matter where the wind is.
That's what I'm saying.
Damn, that was a good one. I need to write that down.
We need to go towards the U.S.
We're going to Florida.
direction. To go anywhere, we're gonna have to go right here. This is the way we're gonna have to go, right here.
Okay.
That's a closed hollis.
Closed holidays, we can do it.
I mean, we're gonna have to go straight out the middle.
That's fine. We're still heading in the right general direction. This to me is the most difficult sailing, is when you want to get to a point that is directly where the wind is coming from. If the wind was behind us, this would be too easy, I think. That's why I want to practice this. We gave up on our exercise to Florida because the wind was dragging us all over the place. What are you doing?
Now, we're on a main ring. Look. Right?
Yep.
Alright, so what you gotta do, I'm driving. Be the captain. Stay right where I'm at. Stay where that's you want to go more look this way. Let it go. Let it go this way. Go this way. Other way. There you go. Okay. It's gonna catch. She's catching it. Now, you want it to stay about right here.
Do you see that marker straight in front of us?
Red marker, yeah.
You want to stay to the left of it.
Right. The wind's coming from that. Yeah, good God, that wind jerked it, didn't it? I gotta turn this. Alright, so now I'm turning this completely around, okay?
No, I think we need to take the jib down.
Well, we need to be in the wind. We need the jib needs to be, we need to put it down in the wind. And then once we get it into the wind, we're gonna let it down. Okay?
Okay, can you
I have to get it around quickly. Right now we need to start taking it down. It's about to turn us again. Nothing I can do about it.
I'm gonna need a little bit some help because I'm gonna have to go up there so it doesn't fall in the water.
So I can pull it down. Now.
So just hold that right there.
Okay. I told you I'm trying. You want me to pull it? Babe, I'm sorry, the wind's just pulling on us. I gotta turn us. I'm turning us slow. It's fixing to go on
It's
the.
flopping right now.
Well, because I'm trying to get the wind to turn it. We're not going anywhere. It doesn't feel like we're moving at all.
Tell, I mean, there's the red marker right there.
Going, are we headed towards it now?
Can't tell which way we're going right now.
Even though the tide's coming in and bringing us in, we're staying in the same place.
I'm trying to think, because once you pull on this to lower it,
It should be going towards the wind.
which one do you, this is the halyard to raise the main
One's for the boom bay, the red.
Exactly. So that brings back to my original point that the jib has one halyard to bring it up, and then that little thin line to bring it down.
The jib, correct.
So it's got two lines, one
Right.
for up and one for down.
Correct.
Okay, now for the main,
We only just have one.
we only have one that goes up and down.
Correct. Because once you release it, it's going to start coming down. Exactly.
And at that point, it's going to flop over and go in the water.
Well,
So that's why I have to stay up here. And you're going to have to be the one to lower it. We got the sails down. Wasn't pretty, but we were going to try and sail back to the marina, but the wind's going in the direction that was taking us past the red marker, south of the red marker again, that direction, which we didn't want to go because it's shallow over there. The marina's that way. So now we got to go to the left of the marker. Yeah, we really wanted to try to sail back as much as we could, but once again, the sails were taking over and doing the sailing for us. They were not allowing us to control them, so we still need to practice on that. We did much better today, but they just all of a sudden start turning you, and you have no control. I'm sure there is a control. You just have to be a more seasoned sailor. Haven't captured that control yet. I'm tired. This is exhausting.
what?
How does it feel wearing that life jacket the
Oh, it
whole
doesn't
time?
bother me.
It's
This
not-
is the only thing I don't like. Which I don't think you really need that.
I think, like, if you fall in the water, it could come off the top of your head if that wasn't wrapped around your boy parts.
I don't know, but it's irritating.
You're not talking like this. I think you're okay. It's not the most comfortable thing to have.